locked out of your Bob world because you forgot your transaction PIN. Don't sweat it. I'm going to show you how to reset it in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you're logged into the Bob World app. Then, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Here, you need to find the security settings option or something similar that deals with your account security. It might say change PIN, manage security, or security and privacy. Tap on that. Okay, now you're in the security settings. Look for the option that specifically says forgot transaction PIN or reset transaction PIN. It's usually located near options to change your password or other security features. Tap on it. The app will now ask you to verify your identity. This could involve entering your date of birth, answering security questions you set up earlier, or using your Aadhaar details. Choose the method you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. This is for your security, so be accurate. Once your identity is verified, you'll be taken to a screen where you can set a new transaction PIN. Enter your desired PIN carefully and confirm it in the designated field. Make sure it's something you can remember, but not something obvious like 1234. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation message stating that your transaction PIN has been successfully reset. You can now use your new PIN for all your transactions within the Bob World app. Easy peasy.